If you will allow me to treat you, I would like to share with you all another section of show and tell from a dear viewer named Loving Guidance. She has shared with us some nature photos, just for all of us to enjoy together. She has written that the ocean at sunsets calms the soul. Nature gives us loving, healing energy, and the sun fills your spirit with uplifting energy. She also writes that I am a holistic healer and spiritual teacher. We are all capable of healing ourselves, and I share many tools on healing, mental well-being, and spirituality on YouTube, Loving Guidance 44. With that, bring to the screen some of her beautiful photographs just above my head we can look at together. Here there is a wonderful photo of a body of water, and we can see a clock tower and the sun shining through the clouds, nearing dusk, and a beautiful tree in silhouette just above the horizon. There's another angle where the clock tower is more visible. We can see a beautiful gradient from yellow to soft orange, even a little red, purple, and of course blue. Similar time of night, there is what looks to be a bay at a beach, and we can see reflected in the water the hues of the sky too. Here we have another beach, this time at a lighter time of day. Wonderful white waves crashing, blue sky, wispy clouds, very sandy beach. You can imagine the sounds of the waves crashing on the shore. And here's a sunset, with the sun looking like a brilliant, glowing gem just on the horizon. We see a whole rainbow of color, from deep auburn through red, orange. If you look really closely, there's even some green, turquoise, and blue. I love that flare, the lens flare. And look at this nature too. Tree looking like a fractal, branches stemming from branches. Place of relaxation for sure. Second to last, we have this valley with green trees, a bay, some mountains with snow on top, a little haven for the houses down there and the people that live in such a beautiful place. And finally, there's another angle in which we get to see the huge mountains high above the clouds on this bright and sunny day. Oh, how incredible this view is. Thank you for sharing, dear Loving Guidance. And thank you, everyone, for bringing some attention to that which meant something for this user. Very breathtaking, I agree, dear Candy Cat. And as always, anyone else who would like to share something, just like Dear Loving Guidance, you can do so by going to the Show and Tell application in the link tree in my bio, and I'd be happy to host something that means something to you here. Namaste.